Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Allahumma faqihna fid din. Ameen. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We Maryam Siftan and team presents you Arabic language course in a new series. We are going to learn this from the book Minhajun Arabiya. Translation of Arabic words to English and Urdu. Let's see some new words. Let's start. In Arabic, qirdun. Let's repeat, qirdun. In English, monkey. In Urdu, bandar. The next one, shajarun. Let's repeat, shajarun. In English, tree. In Urdu, ped. The next one, baytun. Let's repeat, baytun. In English, home. In Urdu, ghar. The next one, samakun. Let's repeat, samakun. In English, fish. In Urdu, machli. The next one, kaifa. Let's repeat, kaifa. In English, how, to ask. In Urdu, kaise. The next one, tayyibun. Let's repeat, tayyibun. In English, good. In Urdu, acha. The next one, zaharun. Let's repeat, zaharun. In English, flower. In Urdu, phool. The next one, jamilun. Let's repeat, jamilun. In English, beautiful. In Urdu, khoobsurat. The next one, sahalun. Let's repeat, sahalun. In English, easy. In Urdu, asan. The next one, aina. Let's repeat, aina. In English, where, to specify a location. In Urdu, kaha. The next one, alhamdu. Let's repeat, alhamdu. In English, all praises. In Urdu, sab tareef. The next one, jalisun. Let's repeat, jalisun. In English, sitting. In Urdu, baithna. The next one, waqifun. Let's repeat, waqifun. In English, standing. In Urdu, teherna. The next one, lazimun. Let's repeat, lazimun. In English, important. In Urdu, zaruri. The next one, lil kitabati. Let's repeat, lil kitabati. In English, to write. In Urdu, likhna hai. The next one, lil qiraati. Let's repeat, lil qiraati. In English, to read. In Urdu, padhna hai. Now let's translate the sentences from Arabic to English and Urdu. Alhamdu sabitun lillahi. Let's repeat, Alhamdu sabitun lillahi. In English, the or all praises are fixed for Allah. In Urdu, sab ta'reef Allah ke liye hai. The next one, Al-Qur'anu hidayatul lil insani. Let's repeat, Al-Qur'anu hidayatul lil insani. In English, Quran is guidance for humans. In Urdu, Quran insan ke liye hidayat hai. The next one, Al-amalu zaruriyun lil-alimi. Let's repeat, Al-amalu zaruriyun lil-alimi. In English, amal is necessary for alim. In Urdu, alim ke liye amal zaruri hai. The next one, Al-ustazu jalisu ala al-kursiyyi. Let's repeat, Al-ustazu jalisu ala al-kursiyyi. In English, the teacher is sitting on the chair. In Urdu, Ustad kursi par baithe hain. The next one, Al-waladu waqifun ala al-ardi. Let's repeat, Al-waladu waqifun ala al-ardi. In English, the boy is standing on the floor. In Urdu, लड़का ज़मीन पर खड़ा है. The next one, Al-qalamu lazimun lil kitabati. Let's repeat. Al-qalamu lazimun lil kitabati. In English, the pen is required or compulsory for writing. In Urdu, pen लिखने के लिए लाजिम है. The next one, wal kitabi lazimun lil qiraati. Let's repeat. wal kitabi lazimun lil qiraati. In English, and the book is required or compulsory for reading. In Urdu, और book पढ़ने के लिए ज़रूरी है. The next one, al-ilmu ni'matun lil insani. Let's repeat. Al-ilmu ni'matun lil insani. In English, knowledge is ni'mat, Allah's gift for humans. Knowledge is blessing for man. In Urdu, इंसान के लिए इल्म अल्लाह की नेमत है. The next one, ad-darasu sahlun lil waladi. Let's repeat. Ad-darasu sahlun lil waladi. In English, the lecture is easy for boy. In Urdu, लड़के के लिए दर्स आसान है. Alhamdulillah, we have completed our lesson today. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.